Some people say that a precision CNC manufacturing company is only as good as the equipment it uses. That's not exactly true, because equipment is only part of the story. But Rathburn is committed to investment in technology and right-fit equipment to meet the needs of our customers. I think people are surprised by that, because you just don't expect to find that kind of dedication in a shop our size.
We have made new investments in CNC and metrology equipment by Citizen, Takasawa, Midatoyo, and Hexagon. Plus, we have a variety of robots, cobots, customized automation, sawing equipment, and I could keep going, because it really is impressive. We continue to update our equipment to help us be even better partners with our customers.
They rely on us for their parts. They know we won't let them down. That's Rathburn.
Ingenuity and precision in everything we do.